2026 Paint Color Trends for Every Room. Let's talk about the colors you'll actually want to live with in 2026. This year, paint trends are all about creating harmony, mood, and personality in every space. Gone are the days of plain white walls. 2026 is vibrant, calming, bold, and refreshingly natural. We're starting in the living room, where earthy tones are dominating. Think terracotta, soft clay, and muted ochre, colors that ground the space and invite comfort. Muted greens are also big in the living room, especially sage and eucalyptus. These shades blend beautifully with natural wood and soft textiles. In open-plan spaces, warm taupe and mushroom gray act as elegant, unifying tones. They add warmth while still feeling modern and versatile. Now to the kitchen. 2026 kitchens are craving color. Dusty blue is making a huge comeback for cabinets and walls. It adds a classic feel without being too traditional. Pair it with creamy off-whites or warm beige for a clean yet cozy look. Another kitchen favorite, olive green. It's perfect for lower cabinets or a full-feature wall. It adds depth and organic charm. And don't overlook yellow. Mustard and buttercream tones are being used in breakfast nooks and kitchen corners for a sunny touch. The dining room? It's going dramatic. Deep plum, charcoal navy, and forest green are dominating formal dining areas. These rich shades create intimacy and focus, perfect for long conversations over dinner. If that's too bold for you, try a warm cinnamon or russet red, grounded but still statement-making. Let's move into the bedroom, where calm is king. Soft lilac, dusty lavender, and powdery rose are leading the way. These romantic shades are soothing and stylish, great for winding down. Beige is evolving into something more sophisticated, with undertones of pink, peach, or gray. And for those who love neutrals, beige is still strong, just slightly warmer than before. For accent walls, 2026 leans towards soft denim blue or mushroom brown. They're subtle, but add depth and interest behind a headboard or vanity. Now on to bathrooms. Cool serenity is trending here. Light sage, seafoam, and misty aqua are dominating spa-like bathroom designs. They feel fresh and clean, especially when paired with white or brushed gold fixtures. On the bolder side, matte charcoal and slate blue are being used in powder rooms. These colors make small spaces feel intentional and polished. For kids' rooms, cheerful but muted tones are in. Think faded coral, muted turquoise, and earthy peach. These feel fun without being overwhelming, and they age well with your child. And don't forget ceilings. 2026 is the year of the painted ceiling. Soft sky blue, blush, or even a pale butter yellow adds unexpected joy above. Home offices are going dark and focused. Moody blues, hunter greens, and inky grays are chosen to create depth and mental clarity. They help define work zones and keep distractions minimal. Entryways are getting a touch of drama too. Burnt orange, cocoa brown, or dusty navy make lasting first impressions. And if you love white, opt for warmer tones with names like almond milk, linen, or vanilla sugar. They bring a cozy glow without looking sterile. Color in 2026 is about balance, energizing yet calm, stylish yet timeless. The key is layering tones that speak to your space and how you live. Don't be afraid to experiment. Paint is one of the easiest ways to transform any room. And in 2026, it's not just about how it looks. It's about how it makes you feel.